Keep trying to eat healthy but always end up giving up after a week? You're not alone, and this video is for you. It's not your fault, and I'm going to show you how to fix that easily. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to force yourself to eat boring salads or bland meals. It's about nourishing your body and soul with the right foods so it can perform better. When you give your body what it needs, it will give you back what you need in return. When it comes to nutrition, your body needs 5 main nutrients to thrive. Let's break them down. Healthy carbs, which includes fruits, veggies, grains, and oats for energy. These will fuel your body so it can do its best work. Lean proteins, such as eggs, chicken, yogurt, and lentils, all about building and repairing your muscles, skin, and more. Healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are your brain and hormone boosters. Vitamins, minerals, which comes from colorful fruits and vegetables, and help your body run smoothly. The key is to make sure each meal has these 5 nutrients. They all work together to keep you feeling great. There's an easy way to include all of these nutrients into your meals. It's called the plate method. Imagine dividing your plate into 3 sections. Half 50% of your plate should be vegetables and fruits. For example, a vibrant salad with cucumbers, spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Drizzle it with some olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice for a healthy fat boost. 25% of your plate should be protein. For instance, grilled chicken breast, or a cup of cooked lentils if you're plant-based. The final 25% should be complex carbs with fiber. Think, half a cup of cooked brown rice, or half a cup of sweet potatoes. These carbs will give you lasting energy. Don't forget the healthy fats, just a spoonful or 2. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a spoonful of seeds, some almonds, or even a few slices of avocado. They help your brain, skin, hormones, and will keep you feeling full. You can also add a small serving of fruit as dessert. Maybe some apple slices or berries to satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthy way. This method gives you everything your body needs in one simple, balanced plate. If you follow this plate method for 3 meals a day, you don't have to worry about measuring everything. You'll naturally get all the nutrients your body needs in the right balance. One more powerful tip to get all the nutrients you need is eating the rainbow. Add as many different colors to your plate as possible. Your gut loves diversity, and the more colorful your plate, the more nutrients you're giving your body. Next time you build a meal, ask yourself, what colors am I missing? What can I add to make this plate more vibrant and alive? Now, here's the thing. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to give up all the foods you love. If you cut out everything unhealthy, you're just setting yourself up for cravings and maybe even a binge. That's where the 80-20 method comes in. This is all about balance. 80% of your food should be nourishing and healthy, and the other 20% can be the foods you love: pizza, ice cream, or fries. But here's the trick. Don't save all that 20% for one cheat day and overdo it. Instead, spread it out over the week. That way, you stay balanced without feeling deprived. Always check the ingredients list on packaged food. Ingredients are listed in order from most to least. So if the first few ingredients are sugar, refined flour, or unhealthy oils, that's a red flag. A game-changing strategy to curb unhealthy cravings is replacing unhealthy foods with healthier alternatives. Here are a few swaps you can try. Instead of eating ice creams, you can replace it with frozen yogurt bowls. Replace milk chocolates with dark chocolates, and instant noodles with whole grain noodles. Small swaps like these make it easier to eat healthier without feeling like you're missing out on your favorites. To wrap it up, don't try to change your entire diet overnight. Start with small changes, like swapping your usual breakfast for a healthier one, and watch those small steps lead to big results. And remember, don't force yourself to eat things you don't enjoy. If you do, you'll start hating food, and that's not the goal. Food is fuel, it gives you life. Enjoy every meal like it's your last, and be grateful for every bite, and build a lifestyle that makes you feel your best. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!